Oh, here we go. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe
Oh my
thunderstorm
God.
warning for Champaign County, Logan County, Northern Clark County, Northeastern Osage County, Hardin County, Western Union County, Ohio, until noon. At 11:09 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dunkirk to near New Carlisle, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Bell Fountain, Urbana, Kenton, Ada, New Carlisle, St. Mary's, West Liberty, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Forest, Russell's Point, DeGrasse, Lakeview, Dunkirk, Alger, Waynesfield, Bell Center, West Mansfield, and Chippewa Park. Wind advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. High wind warning remains in effect from 11 a.m.
Another
this morning
one.
to 7 p.m. this evening
Will be the strong
for
winds.
Hancock, Wyandotte, and Marion counties.
Advisories,
For the high wind warning, southwest winds 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. For the wind advisory, south winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile
That was insane.
vehicles.